Please calm down. We have to fix it. Like,
I cannot go
you have
like
an idea?
this.
Kids were playing there. Come. I have an idea. Come. Okay.
Where? Here? Just
Yeah,
here.
come. Sit down in the pool. Don't worry. Trust me, I know. Okay. Just relax,
Oh
okay?
my God.
We need. What do we do?
Friends, my friends.
Perfect. Okay. Come.
What is this?
Hold it. Just careful. Okay. We have to.
I don't know.
Maybe here. Yes. Put this one.
And
Hold it.
Yes.
Just carefully. Hold it. Yeah. Okay. Let's take the colors.
no, what the colors? No, you will ruin it more. No, please.
Calm down. Trust me, please. I know what I'm doing. Yeah.
The colors here.
Take green color. Green. Okay. Let's mix it. Careful. Don't put on your dress. Okay. Okay.
What do you
Okay. I know. Let's
Hold it.
slowly. Wow. Just careful. A bit more.
It's so
Okay, enough. Let's take another color. Okay. Take the gold. Yeah.
embarrassing. What
Mixing.
if someone will see us?
Don't worry. It's gonna look amazing. It's all worth it.
Are you sure? Are you
Yeah.
sure?
A bit more.
Oh, I think you really need more.
It's crazy.
We have to hurry.
Okay, another one. Take the red.
Okay, one. No.
It's gonna be amazing.
I'm
Yeah.
trying to believe you, but
My wedding is starting. We still have 10 minutes, okay?
I blue one.
Yeah. It's gonna mix amazing. Look at
It's
this.
hard to hold it.
Please careful with your dress, okay?
Your one.
Oh, again.
Yes,
More?
I'm sorry.
We're gonna okay,
you.
we are ready. Just hold
Okay.
it. And now what we have to do? What do we do? Stand up, I guess.
Stand up
Can
like
you?
this. No,
Careful.
it's dripping. No,
Can
I
you,
cannot stand up like this. Maybe you can help
Maybe.
me.
Okay. Slowly. Wait, slowly.
Yeah.
Hold her. Put it. Okay, let's
Whoa.
slowly. Whoa. Slowly.
This is all my flexibility.
Wow. Careful.
I'm falling.
Okay,
And
and
now?
now slowly
Just
release
drip
it. Slowly. Whoa.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Oh, look at these colors. Beautiful. It's amazing.
It looks nice.
Do you like
Wow.
it?
Yes, I like it.
Amazing. Girls, okay. I see the groom coming. Let's go.
Yeah, they're
Yes,
ready.
come on. Go.
Oh my God, don't panic. You dirty your
what?
pants with your period. It's alright. Don't panic. There's nothing to be ashamed of. Let's show it. No, it's alright. Follow me. I have an idea. Maybe we'll show it.
What we do?
Okay, I got this. Keep an eye on plate,
Okay.
please. Is there anyone watching?
Nobody's here, no?
Alright, let's do it.
What are you doing there?
Give me a sec. I got this.
Serious?
God, anybody's watching?
Oh my God.
What should we do? Maybe there's paint here. Maybe the purple, no pink. There is red one. Yes. Okay, maybe you
God,
can.
seriously?
I think you can wear it. Yes. One foot at a time. I can help you.
Okay, careful.
Here you go.
And what I do like that?
I think who wears white pants
I
on
know,
a
I'm so
period day?
stupid.
I think maybe you can lift up your shirt. Yes, lift up your
I'm
shirt.
gonna spray that.
Let me figure it out. I think turn this way, and then
Okay.
maybe I can start spraying it. Hopefully everything will go well.
You crazy,
Okay.
okay?
Oh God! Oh my God! I'm so sorry. Okay. Hold your shirt. It's going well. It's going well.
Oh, nice underwear.
Thank you, I guess. Okay, there is a
Careful, please, with
a
my.
nice pattern as well. Oh my God, I'm
Oh,
spraying
it's
so
so
much. It's smelly, but I think it's gonna work.
Hopefully, it should work.
Oh my God.
Okay.
Oh no. You feel uncomfortable? I'm sorry, but I'm trying to figure it out. Okay. Okay, a bit here. We got this. We got this, all right?
Smells awful.
Oh, I'm sorry. All right.
You know what you're doing, I hope.
Yes, I'm doing this. Yep.
Should I turn?
The last bit. I think we got it. Okay.
Okay, and what?
Um,
I should go like that?
We need something to take it off, maybe. Oh my God, I
You
have
have the
scissors. Okay, so
Okay, and
our
what?
shirt. I think we can. It's dry. Yeah.
Yeah.
We dry it up very fast.
You're gonna ruin your underwear, huh?
Oh no! I wasn't having any. I forgot.
Crazy.
Okay.
I'll buy you a new one. Thank you.
So I cut this now.
Mm-hmm.
You can hold it
Okay.
there, and
hold it.
then the other side.
Mm-hmm. Wow.
Okay.
pretty cool, actually,
I
huh?
think it's gonna turn out amazing. It's gonna cover up everything. Okay.
And I will never wear white pants again. Period.
It's a lesson learned,
That's for
you know.
sure.
Okay, and
And
I
now
think you
I
can
remove
reveal it to see if it's gonna. It's good.
Oh my God, it's amazing.
How does it look on the back?
Let's try the behind. Yep.
Uh-huh.
Wait, it's a bit wet. Wow! How does it look? Let me see. It's covered up.
Yes.
Oh my God.
So cool and so trendy, huh? Thank
Let me
you.
see. Amazing.
You are the best.
Yeah.